Endoscopy assisted intracameral bee sting removal. So a 44-year-old male patient presented to the cornea services with complaint of a decreased vision in his left eye since the last 10 days. He gave a history of injury to his eye by a bee sting. An examination revealed the presence of congestion. Apart from that, there were corneal folds, corneal edema, scarring, and an inferior temporal scar. An anterior segment OCT revealed the presence of a bee sting which had penetrated through the cornea. Apart from that, there were signs of toxic keratopathy and even epithelial bulla formation, as can be seen in the subsequent anterior segment OCT also. So this patient was diagnosed and labeled as a case of toxic keratopathy, started on systemic treatments, but at the same time, there were multiple attempts made to remove this bee sting. However, it could not be removed from the corneal approach, and therefore the patient was referred to the retina services for the possibility of an endoscopy assisted removal of this bee sting. So an endoscopy assisted removal was attempted, and in this video we will show you the removal of this bee sting and how an endoscopic visualization can be important in removing certain foreign bodies from the anterior chamber as well as visualization of the anterior chamber. So with the help of illumination, first of all the corneal changes were assessed. Subsequently, an AC entry was done and pilocarpine was injected initially to constrict the pupil. Another AC entry was made so that the endoscope could be inserted to visualize. Now mind you, this entry was made 180 degrees opposite to the area which had to be visualized. So from the opposite end now, the endoscope is being progressed. And now with the help of an endoscope, the bee sting can be clearly visualized over here. So the bee sting along with the anterior chamber is visualized. Viscoelastic was injected again over here so as to deepen the anterior segment, and the anterior chamber has deepened, and now you can visualize even the trabecular meshwork and the angle structures very nicely. This is the bee sting which is the cause of all our trouble. So from the opposite end, from another end, a 23 gauge serrated forceps was inserted, and with the help of the forceps the cilia was grasped and subsequently brought out from the eye. So the cilia can be visualized over here. Once again, viscoelastic was inserted in the eye so as to deepen the anterior chamber, and the endoscope was reinserted to visualize the anterior chamber and to see if there is any other small foreign body or any residual bee sting still left inside. So over here you can visualize clearly the angle of the eye, and the eye is being depressed anteriorly from a cotton bud. So just to check for any peripheral missed out bee sting or any small foreign body over here. So with the help of an endoscope, the entire anterior chamber can be nicely visualized. So this video demonstrates the utility of an endoscopy assisted visualization of the anterior chamber and how an endoscope can be a valuable tool in removing foreign bodies from the AC.